Hi, welcome to Lakeshore RV, and today we're going to take a look at a wolf pack. This unit's a 2023 365PACK16. Let's take a look. It's got a great big 16-foot garage in it, 2 powered awnings, 2 air conditioners. It's got great big 14-ply tires. Also has a nice outside kitchen. It's gonna have a refrigerator, an ice maker, and a sink that goes to one of the gray tanks. So no taking it out and flipping it, direct dump with that. There's also a quick connect underneath, so if you wanna hook up a griddle or some kind of outside grill, you plug it in here and then you'll just run off the main tanks up front. So as we step in the door here, I can see that my solar panel is working. I got 13 volts just right off the LED lights. Tanks are also heated for cold weather situations. This is your monitor panel. There's also an app you can download so you can do this right off your phone if you're techie. Fireplace, that'll kick out some heat, runs off electricity. And then you got a sweet pantry. It's got some drawers in it. It's 3 levels, etched glass in the door. Just a really great look. 16 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. Got a crisper and also a freezer on the bottom. Over here's our kitchen. You got your stovetop, your oven, microwave right above, plenty of storage. You guys got to check out these new recliners. They're heated, there's lights on them, and there's also a built-in massager. So if you're looking to camp in comfort, it's a great unit. Check out this king-size bed. We also have some under-bed storage. It also has an AC unit right above. You can close these vents, distribute both ACs through the entire RV, or you can open them up and let them blow right down on you. You got your nice built-ins here right into the slide out. Nice and deep, plenty of room for hanging. Also plenty of leg room in the bathroom. Okay, if you're looking to take long showers, or your wife or kids like to take long showers, check out this tankless water heater. And we got room for the whole family. It even comes with a mother-in-law suite. Now with this unit, you get a half bath, and if you're looking to fit in some big toys that are wide, razors, things like that, no problem. This door folds away. As you can see, that gives you tons of room. Now you can fit anything you want in here. You got some nice steps for the patio deck, so you don't have to run in or out. You can enter and exit right off the patio deck. 3-season doors in the back. Come standard now with the pack, and those are glass doors, so heavy duty, very nice looking doors. We also have our seating. You got 2 king beds here, and I'll show you how we can do that. So what we have it set up for now is we have more height than width, so the bottom bunks will actually fold up against the wall, so we get more height. Top bunk's pinned up, so I'm going to show you how this works. So we'll take these pins out. Now you want to put these pins in here so it doesn't fold down. So if you just want to use it for the bottom bed or table and chair setup, you bring this down. That'll fold around like so. So what you want to do is flip these around when you're ready to release the top bunk. There's 1 in each corner. And this is what it's going to look like with both king beds. All right, guys, let's go take a look at the patio deck. I'll show you how that works. So if you're looking to extend your living area, this is a great way to do it. You can enjoy the sun, talk to the neighbors. It's got a pin in it, you can keep the kids inside. Also has a 3-season door that's new on the 2023s. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions on the wolf pack, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Mike with Lakeshore RV, 231-855-9998.